Hello, my name is Chuck Thompson for World Emergency. We manufacture emergency disaster supplies equipment for earthquakes, fires, floods, and civil unrest. We also develop emergency disaster terrorist kits and various things that we feel that everyone needs at this time to be protected, whether they're in their home, in their office, or we have various backpack systems where you can travel with these kits and have peace of mind. We also develop emergency disaster shelters, and this is the focus of this presentation. Our emergency disaster shelters we build into homes and schools, hospital emergency medical units, as well as offices and businesses such as stores or manufacturing centers. These portable emergency disaster centers, these schools, these facilities that we build are made out of solid steel. Of course, they have a chassis such as what you have on a container unit that is internationally known. It can be placed upon a truck or a train car or on a ship and can be transported anywhere in the world. Of course, these centers are again made out of solid steel, and they can suffer about 1,000,000 pounds of pressure or an 8.5 earthquake without any real structural damage. We would like to bring in this facility and help you with your cause and bringing schools as well as offices with computers. We're currently building a Microsoft unit here in Pasadena, California, and it'll have 12 computers on one side and 12 laptop computers on another side, and of course it'll be hooked up with the satellite units that will give it the internet access that is needed so they can have the World Wide Web at their fingertips. Now, these facilities are run on their own power, the ESP model system, energy solar power, which will run these units and all the applications and appliances and equipment inside 24 hours a day without being hooked up to any other local power source. So there's never an electrical bill. That system is portable as well. We can build these units to be bulletproof. Of course, we would line it with bulletproof sheeting all the way around, and if they can be moved in a moment's notice, if there's a fire or they're in an attack, they can be moved, and when the threat is over, they can be moved back to that very same area. They're very portable and they're very strong. And we can design all of the applications that you would want in that area. We would like to help, along with your efforts, the women and children in that area. We recognize that you're doing quite a bit of things in that area, and we would like to match up with your efforts. We would like to give you one of our emergency disaster units, whether we would build inside a school for you in that area, or we can build a store where we have water purification systems inside that can give about 3,000 to 6,000 gallons of water per day, purified water, as well as a bakery inside where we can supply the food for the people in the areas hardest hit, directly in the area where the people need it. Instead of having them come to us, this unit is portable enough to go to them. And we can also set up a program, a learning program, where a lot of the women and children of age, of course, can learn how to sew or cook or any other various industries that is needed in that area so they can improve their own lives. Sewing machines we can place inside our units, and say we can put about 20 sewing machines in one 40-foot unit. These units run about 360 square feet. They're about 8 feet wide and 40 feet wide. And of course, we can shorten them or make them longer or bigger, or we can attach them where it can be a huge center. And again, that center can be portable, and it can be as big as you want or as small as you want. It's very, very flexible. In these school areas where they would come and learn, women would come and learn the different industries that they're interested in and that is needed in that environment.